Douxds, that's how it's pronounced. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying out a facial cleanser brush by a company called Douxds. D-O-U-X-D-S.
Douxds.
It's a very fancy way to spell dudes, but hey, it's a $70 device, so they can be as fancy as they want. I just actually received this. The company was kind enough to send it my way. They wanted my opinion. So what we're going to do today is unbox this. We're going to try it out, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts. I've seen a lot of promotions of this on Snapchat, on Instagram, and I'm excited to give it a go myself because, as you all know, my opinion is authentic, real, organic, and this is not a paid promotion, nor am I an affiliate of this company, so you can expect nothing but realness. As we all know, it's important to wash your face, but not just to wash your face, but to do it correctly. And use your hands. You just don't get your face clean the right way. So luckily, products like this exist. Actually, I've been trying out tons of products from different companies. This is the third silicone vibrating brush that I'm about to try, so been around the block a few times. But I'm all about keeping it clean, self-love, and most importantly, self-respect. So if you're interested in today's review, then keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open because I'm so excited to give this a go. You guys, when I say that, like almost every time I'm on Snapchat, I see a promotion of this product.
I really do.
It's kind of crazy, and I feel like that's how it was when a lot of products for men were just coming on the market, like Hims and Black Wolf Nation, which we all know. I've been using that for years, and tons of other products. And well, there we have it. Alrighty, so the box, guys, very simple. I have to say though, presentation wise, just to give you guys my thoughts, I love a black moment. I feel like this is very sleek. It's not just masculine, but black to me like this is very luxurious, and I appreciate it. So there's barely any description or wording on the package, just as the brand name and a silhouette of the products. And yeah, it's very simple. So I do appreciate that. Minimalism goes a long way. You open this up, and there we have the Flex. And she's in her little cushion right there, just plastic. Take that off. And this is chargeable, which is one thing that I like because I cannot stand having to put batteries in things, and that's one of the reasons why I stand away from a lot of cleaning products, because if you have to put batteries in it, next. But yeah, luckily this is just a little charger right here, plugged in with the USB port. I'm praying that this is already pre-charged because otherwise we're gonna have to take a moment. So yeah. In the box we also have a little packet, which I'm assuming is probably the directions and like the starter kit right here. And I did read a lot about this product on the website, which is douxds.com. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And it does say using the Flex, getting started, charging the Flex. So any questions you may have, troubleshooting, it's gonna be right in this little book. Here we have the device, guys. I have to say, it feels very nice on the hand. It's silicone, it's very soft. A great thing about silicone too is it's sanitary. And that's another reason why it's important to not wash your face with your hands. Because your hands, I mean, even though you clean your hands, it's just best to use the device. Also, it's super, super soft and has bristles on it, which will get into your pores. So for me, I sweat a lot, unfortunately. And this is gonna be great for just opening my pores, giving me a good cleanse, and just making me feel clean, which is the most important. You wanna feel clean too, aside from just being clean. So first impression, guys, I have to say, it definitely looks like an expensive piece. I like how it says Douxds on the back. There's the little charging hole right there. There's her hole. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It does have something on the bottom here. It says working voltage, high speed. Oh, so you actually have a button on the side where you turn it on, and there's a plus and a minus. So I'm assuming the minus is gonna like lower the amount of vibration, plus is gonna increase the volume. So simple enough. Let's pray right now that this thing is already pre-charged, otherwise we're gonna have to wait. I really wanna do that. Oh, it is! Alrighty, so, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead, get my face damp right now. We're gonna actually be applying Black Wolf Nation. This is the charcoal face wash. Oh my God, who am I? This is what I'm using to wash my face, and this is one of my favorite facial cleansers. I must say it is a beautiful product. Not sponsored again, but I love it. And it's black, so it goes with the whole theme. By the way, speaking of black, before we go any further, this is a vintage Tommy Hilfiger jeans shirt. I freaking love this, you guys. Check out the back. This is a moment and a half. It's black and yellow, which is a very weird combo. It's not something within my palette, but anything Tommy Hilfiger is for me, obviously. If you're new to my channel, by the way, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. I'll talk about men's skincare, wellness, fashion, Tommy Hilfiger, and a lot of stuff. Lifestyle, you name it, that's me. Hey, I'm George. Nice to meet you. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna dip my face and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm a little moist right now. I didn't want to get too soaked until I'm actually washing off my face. So I got a good amount of H2O on the face. Now I'm going to just apply the cleanser. So I'm putting a little bit on my hand right now. That's a lot, that's not a little bit. And I'm just going to put some here, put some here. I'm looking like war paint right now. Oh, and a little bit on the 5 finger. Also, I'm just gonna wet this really quick. Now there's actually instructions on how to use this, not only in that package, but on the website. So I'm just going by what I read. That's smooth. It's not too intense. We're gonna start off with that. And it says to actually wipe your face or wash your face or use this product in circular motions, which is what I'm doing. But for 2 minutes it recommends. 2 minutes that's a decent amount of, oh my god, oh! I just made the volume go up, holy crap. This actually feels really nice. I have to say, a lot of silicone brushes, first off, this is big enough for my face, which is why I think it's kind of cool that this is dedicated towards men, because I think men have bigger faces than women. Is that a thing? I don't even know. I don't know what I'm talking about, you guys. This look is not intentional, don't judge me. But whoa, okay. I'm feeling the cleaning sensation. This is really nice. I'm gonna finish this up for another minute. We'll give it the full 2 minutes. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm feeling very refreshed right now. It is, the buttons for the plus and the minus and the on and off button they're right next to each other, so that does make it a little bit hard to shut it off versus like, you know, increasing or decreasing the vibrations. But hey, I'm just gonna say that right now. Let me wash this off and I'll be right back. I was gonna say BRB. Do people say that anymore? Guys, I have to say, I'm feeling clean. I'm feeling very nice right now. This definitely provided a great sense of cleansation. Cleansation, I like that. If that's not a word, it's invented right here, you witnessed it. But I have to say, this is a beautiful cleansing brush. It's very soft on the face. It's not, it doesn't make you feel violated. Like, I've used facial cleanser brushes that really just make you feel like your face is being stripped. It's hard on the face, and it makes you not want to use it in a way. And this does not do that. So, yeah, I mean, that's my thoughts, guys. I don't know what else to say other than $70, it's a little pricey, but it's a great device. It's big too, which is what I like because I have big hands. So when you have like those smaller devices, like for example, do not judge me. I have this Duval vibration silicone brush, and it's just like the comparison. The color, this is the only color they have. Don't know why, but yeah. So the size is obviously way different. And if I have black on my face, guys, from that charcoal wash, do not judge me because I may have missed a spot or 2 or 3. But hey, I like this, I must say. Definitely $70 spent in the right place. Douxds is dedicated to men's zizzes, and that's really cool. But I mean, there's products out there like this, for example. This is from Eternal. This is the beautiful brush by Eternal. It's $250, a little pricey, but it's gender neutral. It's for everyone. I mean, it's not marketed towards men, towards women. It's marketed towards human beings. So I understand why Douxds wanted to make men feel more comfortable when it comes to skincare. That's great, because unfortunately there still are men out there that don't understand that could use the same products as women, and that's where this exists. So I like it. $70, pretty cool. Again, I'm not really gonna drag this product. There's not much to say about it. It made me feel clean. It's a great price. It's cleanly. It's very great for germs because, guys, like now more than ever, we need to like watch what we do with our lives. You know what I mean? Like we don't want to be touching our face and using your hands. You use your hands for everything. So give your face a break and use a product like this to give it a cleanse. I don't know, guys. That's my thoughts. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this review helped you out. If there's any other questions you may have, sound off in the comment section down below. I feel like I pretty much covered everything. So yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, your enemies, your haters, your lovers, everyone you possibly can share this with because I could use the views. Also, my Instagram is right here at @Schirra if you want to follow me there as well. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.